So, for today's video, I was thinking kung ito ba unahin ko o yung aking 2023 makeup favorites. I hope you guys are still interested in that because we're almost halfway to January. But I feel like I'm going to upload this first because this is a hot commodity, new release. So, feeling ko marami sa inyo maghahanap ng swatch nito. I'm talking about these lovely powder blushes over here. Okay, so these are the Bilena powder blush. And I love it because that's it. Yun lang ang pangalan niya. Powder blush. Okay, so pag binili mo siya, it comes in this plastic packaging. And ito na yung mismong packaging ng product. Clear acrylic. Sa likod yung shade name. And when you open it, it's like that. And honestly, ang ayoko sa kanya, maganda na it's really like, you know, sealed and all. Hindi siya madaling buksan, lalo na kapag ilalagay mo siya sa bag mo. Pero may time na ang tigas din niya. Ayan. Medyo struggle siya buksan minsan. So, itong Bilena powder blush, ang chika ay it's buildable, very easy to blend, at meron siya mga skin hydrating ingredients such as vitamin E that help protects your skin from UV damage, hyaluronic acid that moisturizes the skin and makes it plump, and castor oil that soothes the skin and gives extra hydration. And this one, meron siya very slight shimmer or sheen. So, we have 6 shades and I have 6 clean brushes. So, without further ado, let's start. Okay, so unahin muna natin yung mga nude shades. First one that I have is called Golden Hour, and this is what it looks like. So ito kasi Golden Hour is a nude blush na medyo on the beige, very light peach side. This will really show up dun sa may mga light skin tones. A little bit sa medium, pero I'm not quite sure doon sa mga deeper skin tones kasi may mga light colored blush na nagsho-show up sa mga morena. Pero ito kasi muted. Ang mga light blush na nagsho-show up talaga sa mga morena is yung mga bright. Light and bright. Pero yung light and muted, medyo dehado tayo dyan. But anyway, we're gonna go there later. Pero ito na muna si Golden Hour. Okay, so next shade that we have is called Rosy Glow. And this is what it looks like. Ito si Rosy Glow compared kay Golden Hour. Golden Hour is more on the peachy side. Rosy Glow is more on the pink side. I hope you can see the sheen. Another clean brush. Yeah, definitely on the rosy side. Itong si Rosy Glow. Pero again, it's a muted pink. Hindi siya yung parang really bright, popping Barbie pink or purple pink. It's a muted, kind of mauvey pink. Next shade that we have is called Peachy Pinch. And this is what it looks like. And sa pangalan pa lang niya, it's peachy. It's not muted. It's more on the bright side. So again, Golden Hour, Rosy Glow, at ito si Peachy Pinch. I hope you can see the difference. Anyway, let's try it. I don't know kung napipick up siya ng camera. Etong shade nito, I'm pretty sure it's going to show up even sa mga morena kasi nga, it's bright. It's gonna pop up dun sa mga deeper skin tones. Pero yung first 2 shades natin, since it's muted, case-to-case basis. Depende kung gaano ka-deep yung skin tone mo plus yung undertone mo pa. Pick up niyo ba? Nakikita niyo ba? So, eto yung tatlong light shades natin. Now, we are about to proceed dun sa mga, oh my god, deeper shades. Okay, so first on the bold shades is Dazzling Barbie. And this is what it looks like sa pan. I'm sorry sa swatch ko guys, but this is Dazzling Barbie. Anong pinagkaiba niya kay Rosy Glow? Well, mas kitang-kita mo naman ang kanyang pagka-pink compared dito kay Rosy Glow na medyo muted pa and subtle. Ito talagang si Dazzling Barbie is pink and really pink. Let's try Dazzling Barbie. Okay, so this is Dazzling Barbie. At kitang-kita naman patok na patok sa pagka-pink. So you have to be careful when applying this because it's really pigmented. Here's the thing, you guys. Kapag matte yung base nyo, hindi masyadong mahalata yung sheen or yung a little bit of shiny shimmering na meron siya. No need for further explanation. Common sense na yun. If you have a dewy base, edi kita yung sheen. If you have a matte base, mababawasan yung sheen niya. Diba? Kasi nga matte yung base nyo. Anyway, this is Dazzling Barbie. Next shade that we have is called Heatwave. And this is what it looks like. I'm not sure how to describe this, pero para siyang papaya pink. It's pink with a hint of red, maybe a hint of red and purple. Paghaluin nyo yun. That's how I see it. I'm so sorry. Kitang-kita naman yung pigment niya, diba? Heatwave kung Heatwave. So it's like a really bold and deep pink with a hint of, I don't know, a little bit of orange and red. Para siyang papaya pink kapag ka naging lipstick. Alam niyo yung ganon. Okay, let's go. So you have to be careful in applying this because a little goes a long way. By the way, right now, matte kasi yung base ko. Mamaya, I am going to show you yung parang dewy yung base. Dahil may sheen siya, babounce yung light. So yung pigment medyo hindi nakakatch ng camera. I don't know, I'm not sure. Pero in person, kita-kita yung pigment niya. And it's a bright pinky orange shade. It's not peachy. Pinky pa rin siya, pero pinky orange red. So kung naglalaro doon yung hinahanap mong blush, then Heatwave is for you. Will this show up sa mga deeper skin tones? It will again depend on how deep your skin tone is and yung undertone mo. Pero more or less makikita to kasi it's on a bright side naman kahit pa paano. So yeah, this is Heatwave. And last, and I feel like the pinaka-putok na putok shade is Fever Dream. Like, ito siya. And it is a bright red-orange shade. Alright guys, so this is Fever Dream. And as you can see, honestly, parang siyang sisterette nitong si Heatwave. Kaya lang si Heatwave more on the pink side. And itong si Fever Dream is more on the red-orange or tomato side. I hope you can see the difference. It is tomato red in person. So totoo lang, hindi ko talaga alam kung nakipick up ng camera yung shade. But I hope you have an idea on what it looks like. It's really pigmented. Honestly, magkamukha lang talaga sila ng Heatwave. Pero more on pinky lang talaga si Heatwave and si Fever Dream is more on the tomato red. Okay, so yun ang swatch ng lahat ng mga shades. What I'm gonna do is, ayusin natin paglalagay. Also, I feel like this could be used in eyeshadow as well. Pero, it will not last long kapag nilagay mo lang siya on a blank or plain canvas or plain base. Kasi nga, it's made to be a blush. So yung kapit niya compared to an eyeshadow is not that great. Pero this could last long as an eyeshadow if nilagyan mo ng eyeshadow primer or meron kang concealer sa eyelids mo or perhaps foundation. Basta meron siyang kakapitan. And then you set it with a setting spray. I feel like yun, effective siya as an eyeshadow and it will last a pretty decent amount of time. So ayusin mo natin itong face ko. So nakita nyo yung itsura niya if it's like on a matte, semi-matte base. Pero I'll make my base a little bit dewy para makita natin ang full effect ng sheen and apply din natin as an eyeshadow.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places, makes me laugh.
Alright guys, so this is the finished look and alam mo, mas maganda nga yung powder blush if you have a dewy or glowy base. Mas doon mo makikita yung ganda ng blush. But if you want it to be matte, sige, push na rin. But you guys, ang price point niya is 250 pesos. Sa Lazada ha. Pero pag napunta ka sa Shopee, merong 226 pesos, merong 250. Ang 250 ay yung Peachy Pinch. Bakit? Ang pinaka-in-demand ba yung Peachy Pinch? Kasi syempre, mamahalan nila yung pinaka-in-demand, diba? Anyway, with the price point, I feel like it's in the middle. It's not that affordable for me kasi alam niyo naman, merong mga blushes na mas affordable than 226 or 250 na maganda rin naman. Pero it's not also like on the 300, 400 range na mga expensive blush na for me. So I feel like it's in the middle with the performance na pwede siyang blush, pwede siyang eyeshadow. I feel like sulit na yung 226 or 250 price range. And sulit siya, depende sa'yo. If meron ditong mga shades na alam mo yun, ang tagal mo nang hinahanap or parang wala ka pa nun shade na to, so sulit yun. Pero kung lahat na ng shades na nakita mo is, you know, meron ka na sa collection mo and all that, then pagdagdag collection mo lang siya. It's not that super fulfilling to buy. So yun, it will all depend on you if it's going to be worth it or not. But I do recommend it. Ang ganda naman na finish niya, lalo na kung dewy glowy yung base mo. And I really like it as an eyeshadow given na merong base na pampakapit. Dito sa mga lighter shades, what I can recommend you to buy is yung pink. That's the most basic. Pero kung mahilig ka sa mga peachy, edi go for Peachy Pinch. Itong si Golden Hour, depends on you, but for me, it's not my favorite kasi it kind of barely shows up sa skin tone ko. It will show up, but barely. Pero ang ganda niya as an eyeshadow. So, bahala ka na kung okay to sa skin tone mo. Doon sa mga deeper shades, oh my god, alam mo, itong dalawang to, they're like really twins. So, mamili ka na lang if you're more onto the bold pink or like red-orange. Pero pag kinuha mo na to, wag mo nang kunin to. Itong si Dazzling Barbie, gumora ka na dito sa mga deeper shades. Pero pag kinuha mo tong si Dazzling Barbie, wag mo nang kunin tong si Heatwave. Dito ka na kay Fever Dream. Kasi pares lang silang pink. Kapalan mo lang to, parang feeling ko magiging ganito rin yung register niya. Depende sa'yo, Dai. Pero ako personally, dun sa mga lighter shades, I'm gonna go for Rosy Blush and Peachy Pinch. Sa mga deeper shades, I think I'll go for Fever Dream. So, yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I promise, next video natin is yung best of 2023 makeup ko na. I hope you're still interested kasi, hello, lumabas naman siya ng 2023. Magagamit pa rin naman siya ng 2024. Diba? Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye!